Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down again and click on Theme. Then just click on the best one for you and tap on Home button. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, you need to access Play Store. Click on the search bar and type in Gbird. Then get this free app from Google Developer and when it's ready, open it. After that, hit on Enable in Settings, tap on this sweater next to Gbird, and select OK in Attention pop-up. Now tap on the Back button, choose Select Input Method, and tap on Gbird from the list. Lastly, tap on Done and close Gbird app. Then access Devices Settings again. Scroll down, tap on General Management and select Gbird Settings. Now you can finally tap on Theme section and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available options. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Tap on this sweater next to key borders in order to manage them and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again. You can customize it though by tapping on this plus icon under My Themes and clicking on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, tap on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, click on your photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!